Hi, I'm Shannon. In this video, we'll go through the simple steps required to connect a Squarespace website to the Squarekicker extension. First, we'll look at connecting a new website to Solo, the single site plan, before looking at connecting a new website to the multi-website designer and agency plans. To see which plan is best for you, check out the video on choosing your plan. It only takes a few clicks, so let's get started. To start, sign into your Squarekicker dashboard and create a new account. To add a new website to a Squarekicker personal plan, click the Add Website button, then select Solo. Once you have completed the payment process, follow the steps to connect your Squarespace website to the Squarekicker extension. Finally, to install Squarekicker, copy the installation script and open your website's Squarespace config panel. Then paste the script into the code injection header and save. And that's it, you're all done. Please note, you'll need to have your website on a Squarespace free trial or a Squarespace business plan or higher to access the code injection area. On a free trial or solo subscription, once a website is connected, you cannot swap the website out for a different one. If you would like to use Squarekicker on another website, you can create a new subscription by clicking Add Website and following the connection steps. The other option is to upgrade your subscription to a designer or agency plan, which allows multiple website connections. You can connect an unlimited number of websites to your Squarekicker account with a professional plan. Designer and agency plans enable you to activate Squarekicker on a set amount of websites at a time. You can activate 10 websites at a time with a designer plan and 25 websites with an agency plan. The steps to connect Squarespace are the same for these plans. Click Add Website, then select the Squarespace website you want to connect to Squarekicker. Go to the installation panel to copy and paste the installation script in Squarespace. Watch the video on managing multiple websites with your professional plan to learn how easy it is to work with multiple website builds with Squarekicker. We hope you found it straightforward connecting your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with Squarekicker.